disasters or prolonged power outages is the ability to be able to store energy really fast and distribute it fast. Using supercapacitors is a super crank. The super crank is a portable energy storage device, and because it's using supercapacitors, it can charge extremely fast and distribute that charge. There are many advantages supercapacitors have over lithium-ion batteries, such as supercapacitors barely waste any energy, while lithium-ion batteries waste a lot of energy. Also, supercapacitors use materials that are safe for the environment, such as carbon and aluminum, while lithium-ion batteries use materials that are harmful to the environment, such as manganese.
Welcome to Roboticist 2023. A roboticist is one who designs, builds, programs, and experiments with robots. Today is a very special day to showcase all the amazing skills of our very own roboticists here in our region.
Not one team, but two teams to World Robotics Championship at Houston.
The kind of functions that you're doing. So the opportunities you're getting here with your parents, really exciting, and it's great to see you.
Let us be remembered, and we're in this together, so let us be remembered as servant leaders who didn't allow the political process to change us. Let us be remembered as servant leaders, because you're leaders today and you're going to be leaders tomorrow. Let us be remembered as servant leaders who will always show love.
Our solution using supercapacitors is a super crank. The super crank is a portable energy storage device, and because it's using supercapacitors, it can charge extremely fast and discharge extremely fast. There are many advantages supercapacitors have over lithium-ion batteries, such as supercapacitors barely waste any energy in a form of heat.
Presented our project to World of Nations to hundreds of people, and we got a lot of positive feedback. We had a survey, and 19 out of 20 people really liked our idea. After seeing our presentation in World of Nations, Buzz TV approached us to do an interview with them, and it was a very good opportunity to reach out to others and get their feedback on our project.
It was essentially, for the past 9 months, we've been coordinating and collaborating with women and girls all around the world to see the biggest problems on the gender gap and what's actually creating that. And one of the main points that set everything apart was STEM and technology and girls and women's access to technology. And that's why this program is so important. The one thing we talked about was the women and girls with STEM access, and these opportunities were the ones that were making it part of their life.